All right, everyone. My name is Keith Johnson. I'm here to walk you through your application. This is a new episode to walk you through the application for the current week that you're watching this video on. So you're just going to pay attention. Everything in this video is accurate, but we wanted to give you a 15-minute video to walk you through today's enrollment process. Now, I'm not showing my face on camera because I want you all to have the full screen experience, but I will be narrating and walking you through it no differently. Okay, so you're going to come down here. You've seen the video already. If you need to repeat it, then that's fine. Just go back to that site and rewatch the video. But now we're ready to actually go forward and apply. So you're going to hit apply. It's going to take you to the official Level Rewards application. This is where you're going to join. People are joining every few minutes, leveling up, getting paid. Now, of course, you are going to fill out this information, get started now, put in your first name, email address, create password. It's going to tell you who you are being referred by. So if there is a discrepancy, if you do not recognize the person who you are being referred by, then definitely stop, get back with that person and confirm before you continue and sign up. But if everything looks right, if you're being referred by the right person and it tells you right here, then that's fine. Go ahead and put in your name, email, password, hit sign up. Now, you're going to come over here where it says complete registration at the top. You're going to left click complete registration and you're going to fill this out. Now, if you're on Google Chrome, then you can fill out this information a lot faster with a click of a button. It'll autofill everything out for you. But if not, just manually put something or fill out the information. So you're going to start with create a username. Let's say X-Men 1987, something like that. First name is Keith, last name is Johnson. Address, and I'm just gonna autofill all this stuff out. Date of birth, you can come here and edit that. All right, how would you like to receive payment? Bank transfer. If you do bank transfer, you have to send them a support ticket and give them your checking account information. But PayPal, if you want to be paid through PayPal, which is a popular choice, you can just put in your email address that is associated with that PayPal account. Same thing for Zelle. But if you want to receive payment through PayPal, just do PayPal. You can change this at any time by going to your profile settings and changing it. Now, once you have all this filled out, your username, first and last name, home address, city, state, zip, country, phone number, date of birth, and how you'd like to receive payment. And if you guys don't know what to put here, just put anything right here. It doesn't really matter. Use the same email address. It don't matter. You can come and change this later. Only one person per household can do this. The terms and conditions are at the bottom of the page. You can read that. Accept. And again, it's going to tell you who you are being referred by. Click complete registration. Now, you basically will come here. This is the deals page. You want to make sure that you're on deals page. These are all the companies that pay you to represent. Okay, that's all we do here at Level Rewards is represent. We bring people to this page. Here, people can try out different products. So that's all you're doing is inviting people to this page and giving them products to try out. Now, in order for you to earn the position, you have to try out some of the products. You try out the products, you're good to go. The goal is to get to level 14. You're going to make $70 a referral. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick offers on here that can get us to 14 credits, okay? So you've seen the main video. This is just a short video because I assume that you all have, again, already watched the main presentation. You know how to climb up your levels. So I'm just here to give you the answers to the test. So the first offer we're going to do is LifeLock. You get a credit value of 5. It's only $8.99. And what I did was I wrote on my notepad, excuse me, I wrote on my notepad, LifeLock, 5 credits is $8.99. The trial period is 30 days. Now, if today is September 24th, then within 30 days, I want to cancel. So I would cancel right up into the maybe that final week. So I would put a date of maybe October 20th, 2019 would be the date that I would call LifeLock, 1-800-416-0599. Now, I don't have to cancel this out, but if I want to, then that's what I would do. So LifeLock gives you 5 credits. That's a lot of credits. We're trying to get up to 14 credits. So we want this entire list to equal 14 credits. So LifeLock will get us there at 5 credits. Now, every time you click on a box, you're going to click view details. You're going to read the description, sign up, save 10% on your first year. If you cancel the first 30 days, we reserve the right to remove your credit. They're not going to do that because my agents, they don't get their credit revoked. But you're going to sign up, complete and confirm your account. No prepaid cards allowed. So you're going to hit complete deal. It's going to take you to their official website. This is where you find their phone number right here. And then start membership, or you can just scroll down. There's 3 different choices: standard, advantage, or ultimate plus. You're going to hit standard because that's the cheapest option. It gives you $25,000 in stolen funds reimbursement, social security number, and credit alerts. And different memberships offer different layers of protection. We're going to go with standard. Start membership. And it's going to take you to the registration page. You're going to enter your information. There's 4 steps to the application. This first step is add your information. All right. We're going to do this. Make sure your email address is all accurate. Your home address is accurate. All right. And then you're going to hit continue. And then it's going to take you to the second page. I guess where my mouse is circling, you're going to have an opportunity to add other members of your household to this, I'm assuming. The third page will be your billing. And then your fourth and final page, I guess, is to confirm your application or your account. So you're going to go through 4 pages. Each page should take a minute to complete. So you're looking at 4 minutes to complete every step. Once you're done with LifeLock, you should get 5 credits. Next offer on here is Hulu Plus. All right, Hulu Plus gives you 2 credits. It's only $5.99. It's a 30-day trial. So again, by October 20th, 2019, you would complete it. And this is their phone number that you can call if you have questions. So again, you would come to Hulu, click view details, sign up, enjoy the hottest shows. I actually use Hulu on my 50-inch TV. It's cool. Canceling within the first 7 days will result in credit being revoked. Now, it's a 30-day trial, so you're going to hold on to it for most of those 30 days. So like around day 20, day 25, that's when it's safe to, give them a call and cancel it out. They just want to make sure that we hold on to it and we actually test it out for most of the time. And then if we want to cancel it before the trial period expiration. So if the trial period is 30 days and it's September 24th, October 24th would in theory be the final day to cancel. So I would probably write in the notes to cancel on October 20th, which gives me, some wiggle room. And of course, this would be the number I would call. So you go to view details, hit complete deal. It takes you to their official website. Sign up now. You click the green button that says sign up now. And it's going to redirect you to the enrollment page. It's loading. All right, so this is very simple. All we're doing is filling out information. All right, so we're going to do this one right here. Now, you can do this one here. It doesn't really matter, but Hulu, this option is lower in terms of price. It's $5.99, and it has some commercials, like 90 seconds worth of commercials in between shows. Now, this one obviously is a little bit more in price, but there's no commercials at all. So this one, I would just recommend start with that one. If you want to upgrade later, you can do that simply by giving them a call. Do that, hit select. You're going to fill this information out, hit continue. You're going to get to the billing page, and then you are done with Hulu. That's another 2 credits. So right now you're at level 7, right? LifeLock and Hulu, those 2 will get you to level 7. Now we're going to keep going. We're going to go to Experian, view details, $1 get your credit, valid credit card. I think debit card will work just fine as well. You're going to hit view details, continue with offer. It's going to take you to Experian site. You're going to click the green button, get your credit and FICO score. Click that. It's going to redirect you to the registration page, which is no problem. You're going to identify yourself, submit and continue. You're going to pay the dollar on your card, and then boom, you should get your credit score. You are done. And with Experian, it's 0.50 credits. It's only $1. Again, with my mouse, I'm highlighting $1. I believe it's 7 days if you read the fine print. So again, if today is the 24th, you would contact no later than the 30th of September 2019 to cancel that out. This is their phone number to do so. And I found their phone number on their site under Contact Us. The next offer is World Winner. World Winner is a online game app. You deposit $10, play to win. Click view details. Some states you cannot, this app is not available. But if you are able to go, then you should be able to hit complete detail. It's not offered in Arkansas, which I'm in Arkansas, Connecticut, Delaware, Illinois, Louisiana, Maryland, Montana, South Carolina, South Dakota, and Tennessee. So if you're not in any of these states, then you are fine. The requirements: you must register, deposit $10, and play a game within 48 hours. So you're going to complete deal. And if your state, is not on that list, then you should be able to be redirected to their page. 2.5 credits, and it credits within 1 day. So you do this, you'll get the 2.5 credits tomorrow. The next one on the list, and again, that's 2.5 credits, $10 deposit. Trial period, I don't think there's a trial period. I'll just put none on that. NONE. And you can just, I don't think you need to cancel anything out. And I imagine they would have email support. Final expense. This one is unique. Click view details. You're actually going to call in the morning between 9 and 8 p.m. You're going to speak to a representative. They're going to give you a quote on senior insurance. You do that offer. It's going to take you to complete deal. Now, if you get this, it means they've met their daily cap. You're going to try that in the morning. So you may have to just come back and do that in the morning. You're going to give them a call. They're going to give you a quote. And when you hang up, you should get 1 credit. So that one gives you 1 credit. FanDuel, you have to scroll down, click to view all deals. Now, FanDuel is fantasy football. It's an app. You can do Android, iOS, or desktop. If you do the desktop version, it'll look like this. Now, it's going to say, again, you want to read on what you're doing. Minimum is $5. So that's what you're going to do. The minimum is $5. You're going to play a game. And it tells you right here, create your account, make your first deposit $5 minimum. What else does it say? Amount of manual enter is 5. 3, enter and complete a paid contest, earn your reward and win cash. Complete a paid contest to be rewarded. So that's very simple. I got 2 more minutes before the time run out. So you're going to do that one, do a minimum of 5, play a game, and whether you win or not, you should get the 2 credits. And then finally, I Can Read. I Can Read is it's on the list. Let's see, right here. Everything is on this top part. The only one down below is that fantasy football game, FanDuel. But everything else is at the top of the page. I Can Read, pretty simple. View details. $1 to get you 2 books. Complete deal. It'll take you to their official site. Fill this information out. You can hit no thank you on the bonus books and hit continue. And I believe it's a 2-week trial. 1 credit, $1, 2 weeks. This would be the date you would probably cancel, and this their phone number if you have any questions. This should get you to level 14. The total cost on your card should be about $32. Additional offers to consider would be eVoice. Now these offers should get you a flat 14. Okay, but if for some reason you're low on credits and you need to keep climbing your credits, other offers I would consider be eVoice, Amore Coffee, Movie Streams Online, and Beauty by Design. So again, Amore Coffee is this box right here. eVoice is this box right here. Beauty by Design is right here. So these are just extras that you can consider. And my tips, I got 20 seconds left. So no prepaid cards. Make sure you're using a home internet connection, Google Chrome or Firefox. no public computer. And again, when you click view details, follow the instructions. You should be able to complete each offer. I got 5 seconds. So again, pause this video, do this list, call me if you have any problems.